It is my honor.
This elite formation indigenous dog breed, canine, built on track.
स्वागत है आप सभी का दुनिया की खूबसूरत सी जगह पे। जी हाँ, खूबसूरत इसलिए क्योंकि राधा रानी और कान्हा जी का बड़ा प्यारा सा मंदिर है ये, बहुत सुंदर और बहुत खूबसूरत। जी हाँ, तो आज है 26 जनवरी और आज हमारे यहाँ पे है परेड, तो हम बस यही देखने के लिए सब आए हुए थे एग्जिट टेम्पल के सामने। बहुत बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था और बहुत अच्छा डेकोरेशन भी किया हुआ था। आप सभी को जय श्री कृष्ण, राधे राधे। आइए हमारे साथ आप भी इस परेड का आनंद लीजिए।
बढ़ रही है। शाही बग्गी में आज के गणतंत्र दिवस कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि महोदय बैठे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, may I repeat?
Led by Coach Laddev Singh and Devang Singh. And as the chief guest arrives, it is my honor to announce the arrival of our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Debamsu Ray, Cluster President JMD, and his gracious
My contributions of IT. रिलायंस ग्रीन्स के इस पावन धरती पर 77वें गणतंत्र दिवस का आगाज होने जा रहा है एक ऐसी गूंज के साथ जो आपकी दिलों की धड़कन को बढ़ा। गौरव, हमारा अभिमान, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए द ट्रैफिक पायलट्स का।
Ladies, may I have your attention as the marching columns advance before you. Leading the formation is the formidable Mahindra Marksman, India's first armored capsule-based infantry mobility vehicle, designed to shield Central Industrial Security Force personnel from small arms fire and grenade attacks. This precision-engineered vehicle symbolizes agility, strength, and preparedness. With 360-degree visibility and a reinforced armored shell, it embodies our zero-compromise approach to security, spearheading every patrol with complete awareness.
इसके ठीक बाद आता है रक्षक, जो उच्च दाब वाले युद्ध क्षेत्रों का चुस्त दुरुस्त और भरोसेमंद वाहन है। चाहे दंगा नियंत्रण की जटिलताओं से निपटना हो या गहन टोही अभियान चलाना हो, रक्षक हमारी अटूट सुरक्षा से अधिक की सतर्कता के निशान अंकित है, जो परिचालन क्षमता और निरंतर सतर्कता का चलता
The fleet advancing next is a mighty Casper APC, the undisputed iron shield of our security fleet. This mine-resistant personal carrier stands out for its unparalleled blast protection and strength. Engineered to withstand the harshest threats, the Casper represents the heavy-duty resilience required to protect our most vital assets against all odds.
तरल पदार्थों से लगने वाली सबसे कठिन आग को बुझाने के लिए बनाया गया है। यह अद्भुत मशीन कुछ ही सेकंड में शक्तिशाली ओम की धुआं छोड़कर आग को ढक देती है और खतरे को समाप्त कर देती है। आत्मविश्वास से इसे गुजरते हुए देखिए, क्योंकि यह हवाई अड्डों
Marching now are the security quick reaction teams Always alert, always ready, trained to respond within moments. They represent decisiveness, discipline, and fearless action. When seconds matter most, these teams stand between threat and safety. These elite quick reaction teams, truly the tip of the spear, are the masters of the 120-second response. Through the searing heat of the midday sun and the chilling silence of the midnight watch, with Formula Week, 365 days a year. Today, we salute these guardians of our industry. We honor their unwavering discipline and their sacred dedication to duty. Now, presenting the animal quick response and rescue capability, an integral component of the Reliance Safety and Security Framework. This elite formation comprises highly trained personnel from ex-Indian Army Special Forces discipline, crisis response capability, terrain expertise, and precise mission execution. Supporting these teams is a specialized fleet of rescue, medical, and logistic vehicles deployed as part of the security preparedness. The fleet includes dedicated nutritional support vehicles, ensuring sustained operations during extended deployments and animal translocation requirements. Following this is a mobile lab on wheels, enabling real-time diagnostics and on-site medical assessment to support timely decision-making during operations. Mobile animal ambulances enable rapid stabilization and safe, controlled animal transport during security incidents, disaster response, and operational contingencies. An operational mystic system supports logistic movement. Provide heavy recovery capability, supporting the safe handling and evacuation of injured or immobilized large animals during high-risk operations. Every vehicle in the convoy is equipped with GPS tracking, CCTV tracking, CCTV surveillance, and securing vehicle communication. They are equipped to operate across diverse terrains and challenging environments, maintaining safety and efficiency under all conditions. The team is specially trained to respond swiftly to animal emergencies, ensuring rapid equipment, swift rescue, and stabilization. All movements are coordinated through the Reliance Integrated Operations Center, ensuring real-time situational awareness, command oversight, execution. You are now witnessing the foundation of all canine security operations. Through coordinated commands such as heel, sit, stand, salute and down, these dogs demonstrate absolute discipline, focus and responsiveness. This level of obedience ensures controlled movement, operational safety and complete reliability. At the forefront is the combat canine responders for the team commander, Mr. Anil Kumar Yadav. Fleet operations marched alongside Belgian Shepherd, Malinois and Dutch Shepherd dogs, by perimeter security and rapid response during high-risk situations. Marching for the units are India's indigenous dog breeds, integrated within Reliance canine security ecosystem, naturally intelligent and climate adapted. These breeds enhance operational resilience across diverse Indian conditions. Rangpur Hound, Mudor Hound, Chippy Parai, Mumbai and Rajapalayam, each selected for endurance, alertness and reliability. Adding a rare and heart-moving sight is the Parade Canine Band. We now present the horses of RIL, majestic symbols of strength and grace, shaped by disciplined training, purpose and operational readiness. Their movement is calm yet assured, handled with composure that reflects Kuldeep Singh, the Sena Medal. The Marwari, recognized for their distinctive inward curving ears, is also known for their arched neck, deep chest, strong limbs, and sure-footed strides, built for endurance, alertness, and unwavering loyalty. Following this contingent are non-native breed stallions engaged in security roles, led by Mr. Mahendra Singh. Trained by Step reflects a partnership built on trust, discipline, and mutual understanding.
આવજો પકડવા માટે બી બે માણસ જોઈએ.
Mountain teams can Every movement is supported by disciplined horsemanship, ensuring controlled handling in varied operational settings. At RIN, this is a capability. Coming next is patrolling on indigenous forces led by Captain Vijay to varied landscapes from arid plains to rugged ground and calm authority in operational environments. The mounted capability strengthens coordination with footfall movements. Demonstrating strength, balance, and disciplined movement in security patrol roles. Their imposing stature and steady temperament reinforce vigilance. Their movement allows security teams to maintain fluid coverage and control spacing during coordinated operations. And welfare-focused care ensure consistent performance and reliability.
એના પગના પેલા વાળ જો એના પગના વાળ.
The mounted capability strengthens coordination with foot patrols and vehicle teams, enabling layered coverage during high footfall movements. By Risaldar measuring confidence, composure, and readiness shaped by tradition and training. What you see here is not a spectacle, but capability, reliability shaped by heritage. Trained for discipline and control, these horses provide height, visibility, and calm authority. Marching next are camels, both single-humped and double-humped, deployed in specialized terrain roles within the Reliance Security framework. Both single-humped and double-humped, deployed in specialized terrain roles within the Reliance Security framework. Their long, deliberate stride and measured gait reflect exceptional endurance and strength, enabling adorned in traditional finery. These camels carry with them the echoes of the historic military legacy that spans centuries. Each camel is guided by trained handlers with steady. Their care follows a structured routine focused on comfort, well-being, and responsible handling throughout movement.
સારું આવે ને.
Together, they reflect not only strength but disciplined management and humane stewardship in demanding conditions. Salute the resilience, salute the spirit of the desert. Together, the fleet reflects Reliance Industries Limited's integrated approach to safety and security. And now, adding solemn dignity and ceremonial grandeur to this Republic Day celebration is the Bagpiper Band, a powerful symbol discipline and martial pride.
सज्जनों, कृपया इस ओर अपना ध्यान नेतृत्व में सलामी मंच की ओर कदम बढ़ाते हुए इन RGSS सुरक्षा अधिकारियों का स्वागत करते हैं। कदमों के उस लयबद्ध धमक पर ध्यान दें। ये महज एक
Conducting missions round the clock during both day and night hours with disguised uniforms and appearances, ensuring their presence remains unnoticed while maintaining absolute dominance.
उत्तर में तुंग हिमालय हो, हिम से बहती एक गंगा हो, जन्नत हो धरती का कोना, अद्भुत अखंड नालंदा हो। हे ईश्वर जब जन्मों में शहीदों में मैं नाम करूं, बस वतन हो हिंदू।
So guys, that's it for this video. We hope that you celebrate Republic Day with everyone, your friends, family and सबके साथ मनाओ, खुश रहो। भारत एक देश है, हम सब भारतवासी है भाई। 26 जनवरी की तुम सबको शुभकामनाएं यार, ठीक है। बस लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो और सब्सक्राइब कर दो। यस, मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में। बाय बाय।
सो खुश तो हमारे साथ था नहीं, क्योंकि वो गया था अपने दोस्तों के साथ। सो वॉइस तो उसका बनता है। तो बस आप सभी को 26 जनवरी की खूब शुभकामनाएं।